Like a ball.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org, and today we're going to be reviewing Everheart, Adrienne Everheart. Sorry about that. I just knew her first. I just knew her last name, Everheart. So we're gonna see what her video is about. Again, I haven't seen any of her videos, so I'm gonna get my response is gonna be instantly whether or not I like it. I haven't heard any of her material yet, so let's find out. Okay, so we're about to expose her. Let's see. And if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know who you guys want me to expose next.
Hi, I'm Adrienne Everheart, and I'm your love and relationship coach. Now, today I want to share with you 3 things that will help boost your feminine vibe, which will also make you very attractive to the opposite sex, which would be a masculine energy man. So, I would like to share with you my own story.
All right, she's already has a different perspective than most dating coaches already. So, all right, she has a funny looking smile. I could tell she's a goofball at times, but I like that.
Finding my feminine energy and balancing my masculine energy, and how I learned in my relationship the energy I want to be in is a feminine energy. Because otherwise, if I show up in my masculine energy and he's in his masculine energy, there's going to be a tug of war. There's going to be a power struggle. So my mentor, Roy Ray, liked to always describe this as an energy bubble. And so if the feminine energy's on one side, masculine's on the other, if we lean forward, we pop him right out of the bubble. But if we lean back, we leave lots of room for him to pursue us. So that's where we're going to start with the very first thing I want to tell you about, which is learning how to lean back. Now, in my own relationship, I thought that I was the person who needed to let my man know how much I loved and cared about him and keep up.
Oh, I definitely like it when a woman tells me to lean back and relax. Oh, Lord in heaven, have mercy.
Up with him, to reach out and call him, to let him know I cared. I thought that if I didn't reach out and call, if I didn't text every day, that he would think I didn't care for him. And I hear a lot of women say the same thing. And really, it's not that you're playing a game with him, but you want to give him the chance to pursue you.
My nigga. Elena. I like you, Elena. I misjudged you. I thought you were gonna be one of those, like, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep listening. You know what? I was gonna give her some crack. Let's give her half of those crack, all right? Because I want to speed this up. Let's not do 0.5. Let's do 0.25, okay?
Men actually love to pursue a woman. It feels really good to them. So I can think back to junior high, and there was a boy that all my friends were telling me he liked me. They were all telling me he was going to ask me out to the junior prom. And I got so nervous and irritated because he wasn't asking me out that I just went up to him and I said, "Look, do you want to go to the prom or not?" And he goes, "Well, I do, but you kind of ruined it for me. I wanted to ask you. I had something planned, and I wanted to ask."
Oh, I mean, dude, Jesus Christ, that dude was a picky motherfucker, man. Beggars can't be choosers. I mean, like, just take it. If I was you, Elena, I would have said, you know what, dude, fuck that shit, man. You either take it now, or all right, you're getting in your masculine.
Ask you. And men just move at a completely different time and space than women do. Men are much more strategic in some ways than we are when it comes to this sort of thing. They like to be very confident and very sure of themselves when they go and do something like ask a woman out on a date or contact her regularly. It means a lot to them to be able to do that. So lesson number 1 is learning how to lean back, be in your feminine energy around a man. Now, I wear a little reminder on my left wrist. I wear a little bracelet to help keep myself in my feminine energy, just as a little reminder. And again, my mentor, Roy Ray, taught me this, and it is a wonderful reminder. I can just feel my bracelet there. And then when I need to be in my masculine energy, she suggests switching your bracelet to the right side of your wrist. Now, for me, this is really helpful, but nothing is more helpful than actually seeing the reactions of a man when you lean back and you're in your feminine energy.
Yeah, that's
watch them and see them physically change.
That's very true, man. That is 100% true. What she's saying is 100% the truth. But let's keep listening.
Change and feel their energy change when your energy changes. Now, I had a blog update not too long ago about running into a man at Starbucks. And he was someone that I had dated previously to my relationship and was a great guy, but I didn't feel very connected to him. But nonetheless, he wanted to catch up with me at Starbucks. So I sat across the table talking to him, and he was telling me about how he was looking for an apartment and looking for a place to live, but having a really difficult time. He was moving back from another country. And I immediately went into fix-it mode. I went into solving it, telling him about signs I had seen in my area for places to rent or places that had space for musicians.
I see what she's saying. I see exactly what she's saying.
To practice, and I could just see, his eyes just completely losing interest. And I was like, oh my goodness, it's happening. I'm in my boy energy, and I was leaning forward in my chair. So practice really leaning back. You become instantly softer and more attractive just by leaning back and dropping your shoulders down and soften your gaze. There's nothing that you need to solve.
Oh, so
There's no
like the squinty eye. Let's give it a try, right? Let's give it a try. What's up, people? This is Alex from Mind for Attraction. Ready? What's up, people? This is Alex from Mind for Attraction, and today we're gonna be talking. Okay. All right, let's look a little bit more. All right, I like this. I like this lady. All right, she's single or something? Let's see. Let's keep watching.
You need to come up with. You don't have to do any of that. You just get to show up and be wonderful, beautiful, amazing you, and accept all the love and attention.
Wait a minute. Time out. Let's rewind that.
Come up with. You don't have to do any of that. You just get to show up and be wonderful, beautiful, amazing you.
Some of you guys ain't wonderful, okay? Some of you guys need to improve, all right? So that's the one thing I don't agree with. But let's keep listening.
And accept all the love and attention that's going to come your way. So that is the number one. Lean back, be in your feminine energy. Watch how it changes the man. Watch how he suddenly will get more interested, and he will also relax because he's not having to compete with your masculine energy. He's just getting to spend time with you, please you, and adore you, and
Relax, Helena. Okay. I mean, Adrienne. Relax. We are not adoring you. All right. Let's just slow down.
That's how the masculine energy. You want the man in pursuit of you, and it'll feel wonderful to both of you. It'll feel much more authentic and calm to you. Now, the next.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just letting you guys know I am doing a live Q&A on Instagram. Live Q&A where you guys can ask me any questions. See, I'm doing it today. You guys can ask me any question you guys want. It's feel free as long as you follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram, right? You see, I'm answering people's questions. See, all for free, right? I'm answering all of the questions for free, right? So if you guys have any questions, just go to my Instagram.
Michelangelo, Leonardo.
Any questions?
Guru. He's a French. I mean, if you're never gonna see her again, then just
any questions you guys can ask me. So I'm doing it now. After this, I'm gonna be answering more again. So just follow me there, and there you go. All right.
This one is. Let's see here. Expressing feelings.
I'll wait for you guys to follow me. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. The Instagram is DALEXIS. I'm doing these live streams, these free answer questions every weekend. So for all the freeloaders who want to get their questions, who want to get the questions answered, there you go. That's your chance.
Statements and boundaries. So they're two separate things, but they can actually be combined quite often because a lot of times we need to know how we're feeling to be able to express ourselves in the relationship. This is how we connect to a man's heart. We connect to a man's heart by.
I don't understand why she doesn't have more subscribers. I mean, this is like pretty incredible. She's pretty good, man. I don't understand why she doesn't have subscribers, man. More subscribers because she's good, man. I like her. I like her a lot. In fact, I like her a lot. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, people.
Authentically knowing how we feel and being able to express it in a way that's not dramatic, that's not manipulative. We're not trying to get him to do anything. We're just telling him how we feel. Now, boundaries are also equally important because this is when something's just not going to work for you. Now, a lot of women are so fearful of telling a man a boundary because they're afraid he's going to get mad and leave them. And I can understand feeling that way and being scared to really express that I don't like doing this thing that you want to do, and I don't like horror films, and I really don't like that restaurant. like the food. You know, you might feel you will become labeling yourself as difficult. Well, there's being difficult, and then there's just really, I have a boundary, and I don't like horror films. And I had to tell a man that I was dating. He was really into that sort of genre, and I said, I'm just not into it. And I just left it at that. I don't
Wow, like she's right. Like she's right, man. Like this chick is a problem, man. She's a problem.
those. And he, he really accepted it. And he said, well, what sort of movies do you like? And I said, well, you might not like the movies I like, but we were able to find a happy, medium for the both of us. So be able to express how you're really feeling and a boundary. You can actually do this all in one sentence sometimes. Now, I made a note about this because I had a great example. And this is about going to a restaurant and getting there on time. And this was something that, a lot of people on a date night, we go to a movie, we go to a restaurant, or we go to the restaurant, we go to the movie. But one can make you late for the other. So I, of course, don't want to be late, and restaurants can get packed.
Oh man, I'm like listening to her. I forgot that I'm critiquing her.
But if I go to my man and I start asking him questions about what time we're leaving and, when are we going to do this and when are we going to get there, and do you think that's enough time? I'm asking that innocent question. I'm trying to get him to do something. So instead you can say, well, I feel so excited about going out tonight, but I'm feeling a little nervous about the time frame. That restaurant can get really packed, and I don't want to feel rushed. What do you think we should do? And then you leave it up to the man to solve it.
Mm-hmm.
So you're allowing yourself, you're expressing your feelings. I'm nervous, I'm a little worried, I don't want to rush, there's no drama involved, and you're allowing the man to solve it.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope that these tips will help you get into your feminine vibe. It's a much more attractive place to be.
I like it. It's much better than those psycho Terminator ass bitches, man, where they want to control everything. Like, you don't want to do that. I highly recommend her. Excuse me, people, you can check her videos on the link below. I have all her contact info on the link below. I recommend her. She's good. I like it. I mean, she has a different way of teaching this, and it's a different perspective. I may start teaching it too. Right? I may start teaching it because it's actually something that makes a lot of sense, right? So yeah, anyways, this is Alex from F Attraction. Go check her out, and peace out. Tell me who you guys want me to review next. Bye-bye. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the Psychological Game of Attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. It's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.